Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install paddypower on any mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone, it's the exact same on Android. So swipe up and go to App Store if you're on iPhone, or it's the Google Play Store if you're on Android. From there, go to the bottom right page, the search page, and start typing in paddypower. Press search. And I always skip past the first sort of advertisements here. Go to Paddy Power Sports Betting app. It says the word get on the side. Press that. Then it's going to ask us to confirm the Face ID to install. So you double click the button on the right hand side of the iPhone. Click that. It's going to confirm Face ID. And then make sure that you do have a good internet connection before you download this, because it will take a while unless to download. I'm going to come back in a little second. From there, guys, that's basically the app downloaded on this device. From within the App Store, you can actually open the paddypower app now. It says the word open. Press that button. It's going to open the app for us. Allow paddypower, or would you like to have notifications sent to you? Don't allow. Would you allow paddypower to track your activity? Allow, because this will give you tailored advertisements in the future to your interests. Allow all cookies. And there we have it, guys. This is the paddypower app. It has successfully downloaded and installed on this iPhone device. From there, you can go to the top right, either join now, and you can type in all your details. You probably get some different offers before you start playing. If you do have an account, go to the login section and type in your email, username and password, and actually start playing on paddypower. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.